everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in this video, we will talk about how to fix unable to upload this item Instagram story problem. For this, open the settings app on your device. Now, scroll down and click on the apps option. Now, click on the Instagram, click on the storage and cache. Now, click on the clear cache and click on the clear storage. Click on the delete option, and after this go back to the home page. Now open the Play Store app. At the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram. Update it if not, and yeah, your problem will be resolved. And if you still face the problem, you can try with another method. For this, open the Instagram app on your device. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. Scroll down and click on the help option. Click on report a problem. Click on report problem. Tap on include and continue. Here describe your problem, and after that tap on the send button. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.